If you are looking for a wireless audio system in your life, it is the same exact audio system I'm using right now. If you're also a live streamer or do a lot of videos like I do, if you're like a host, it's really nice to have an audio system that I don't have to be reliant on wires, because as you can see, I like to move around a lot, I turn around a lot, and then you're still able to hear me, right? Like I'm turning around, but you can totally hear me. Okay, so this is the Saramonic Blink 500 B2 kit. There are versions like B2, B3, B4, B5, so just make sure it's the one that you absolutely want. The B2 one I feel is the most universal, because not only does it plug into your camera, but you can also, depending on the cords and adapters you have, you can also plug it into your computer, your tablet, also your phone. So I think this is a great universal system. Okay, so this one is cool because the kits, you can get dual or single, and what I mean by that is you can get one transmitter or two transmitter. Again, elaborating further, these are called transmitters. So we transmit audio from our mic systems to a receiver, and the receiver is currently plugged into my camera. So with this kit, this is great for interviews, for like concerts, but as you can see, you get two transmitters, aka two microphones, and you'll be able to capture both audio directly to your camera or device without having to edit audio in post. So inside this beautiful box, instruction manual, yes. We also have a very nice foam cutout on the inside, and at the bottom of it, nicely tucked, are the wires, so we'll look into that in a bit. I'm gonna put this box back to the side, and then we get this nice zippered pouch from Saramonic for our B2 kit. So I love cases, by the way. So sometimes when things come in like really nice compact cases and there's not all this extra space and I can just throw it in my backpack, I love this kind of stuff. So the reveal inside this case is another case. And I think that why they did that is because there's a couple of windscreens and cables that if you wanted to bring it with you, what I do is I tuck it in between and then I zip it. So that way I have both my charging case and also my extra lavalier mics, my phone windscreens. It could be a little bit roomier, but again, I don't know if that was what it was meant for. But if Saramonic made a little deeper case, I think I would be able to attach more of my wires in here. But you know, I force it in anyways. So okay, so this is the B2 kit. At the end, you'll see that there's a USB-C charging port, which I love, anything USB-C. So you can charge this kit and then it'll charge all of these on the inside as well. And what I love about these new and advanced cases is now I can just charge the case. The case also has a charge that will charge this as well, but I don't need to be attached to an electric outlet once this case is charged. In a way, it becomes a wireless charging case after it's been fully charged using like your electric outlet. So you get your receiver, and then you get your two transmitters. There's an easy pair button right here. So once you turn these puppies on, you just press the pair and it'll automatically pair and sync for you. Gone are the days where you actually have to go through channels. They won't need to be repaired constantly. When I turn it on, there is an LCD screen, which is nice because the original one that I had, the Blink 500, not the Pro version, doesn't have an LCD screen. This is the inside too. I'll show you what this kit comes with. Ooh, nice. It also comes with two lavalier microphones, which again, I could be utilizing right now, but I chose not to. But I can show you what it sounds like just so you can have it. And the thing I love about Saramonic is they include all the cables for you. I have other competing brands that they don't include all the cables for you, so you're kind of constantly needing to order a separate cable, which can get pretty expensive. I mean, I'm very fortunate that I get so much tech that I'm using cables from other things for everything else, and when people need an extra cable, I can give them a spare. But if you're just getting a kit for the first time, I really like how much a Saramonic does include a lot of these cables. So you have your TRRS cable to TRS cable. Ooh, let's talk about that. So TRRS cable is the one with the 3 lines. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have one of those cameras that like focus, but this is like the one with the 3 lines. And this is a very special cable. This is the cable that usually doesn't come in most of, you know, your kits. But this is the one that's gonna allow you to hook it up to your phone or a phone's adapter, because you need a TRRS cable to plug this end into your phone. And then you need this end to plug into your receiver. If you're not using your phone, you just need the TRS to TRS cable, which is this one. The ones with 2 lines versus 2 lines. So again, they provide both cables for you. A lot of you were asking me how to actually hook it up to the camera. So I will show you. I'm gonna bring back down my standing desk so I can show you how to put these together. This looks really cool. I feel like I'm in like Edna mode. All right, so this is my GH5, and I'm gonna show you how to set up this microphone system. I'm able to just put the receiver with the clip. You see that clip? I can put that right on top of the shoe mount. Now it'll just hold it like on my camera, which is amazing. And again, remember, Saramonic gives you both a TRS to TRRS cable and a TRS to TRS cable. The TRS to TRS cable is the one with the 2 lines, the 2 little black lines on this cable, to another one with the same exact thing. You don't need the one with the 3 lines. You would only need the 3 lines if you're utilizing your phone to capture audio. So now we're gonna put one of the lines inside of this line out. Let me take this off. So there's a headphone jack and a line out jack. We're gonna put one of the ends into the line out jack. Then we're gonna put this other end into the mic jack, which is another 3.5mm jack, into your camera. So this is how we're gonna capture audio, wireless audio. So I'm gonna put it back on the shoe mount, pop open the mic cap, and yeah, there you go. So I was able to attach the the receiver of the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro to my GH5 mirrorless camera. And in the kit that comes with it, you actually get 2 microphones. So now when I turn it on, I just have to turn this side on and attach it to myself like how I am right now. And now I'm able to capture audio wirelessly with no cords. As again, I can turn around and everything. I don't have to get caught in my wires. It's awesome. There's actually built-in microphones on these transmitters. That's how you're able to hear me now. But let's say I wanted to attach one of these lavalier mics and hide this, because you know, sometimes you want to hide it. You need gaff tape and all that stuff, maybe some clips. So Saramonic includes 2 lavalier microphones in the kit, and I'm just going to show you really quick how it sounds live time, because this one actually is attached to the audio you're hearing right now, and I'll just show you. So let's say I wanted to, and I'll prove it to you. Can you hear that blow? So yes, I'm talking into this mic, right? So like if I wanted to now attach the lavalier, there's a mic line in, and I'm just, so watch your ears, it might click, I don't know, but attaching it there. So now I can talk on this little baby mic, and what I do is I clip this to my cheap Howell that I am wearing today in honor of Lunar New Year's, which I also included in the links down there. And I can clip this, you know, to the back of my belt. Fortunately, I am wearing a dress, so I don't have anything to clip it to. But then that is how you're able to go from a lavalier mic to your transmitter mic and back and forth. Okay, so that was the Saramonic Blink 500 B2 kit.